Hi friends, I'm Scott from Sharkey's Greenhouses and Beat Your Neighbor Fertilizer. I want to show you one of the most beautiful and functional planters you can make. And this is Citronella and wax begonias. So Citronella, you know, is a natural mosquito repellent. So this is great to have in your patio, your deck, or by a campfire like we have. And I wish you could smell this as you ruffle it up. It has that great lemony citronella smell, and it helps keep the mosquitoes at bay. It really does. Look at all the different colors in here, and it's a very inexpensive planter. There's only one in here. Look how big that got. And then the wax begonias of the different colors, there's about 6 plants. And again, very inexpensive bedding plants that come in the packs. So it doesn't take that much to fill out this planter. It's stunning and it's functional. So this is a very versatile planter. It can go from full sun to partial shade. And it's easy cleanup, easy maintenance. The wax begonias, you can just brush them off. You don't really have to do any deadheading. And the citronella, you just let it go. When it comes to watering, remember this is a geranium, so it's going to be a little bit on the drier side. When it comes to fertilizing, feed at least once a week with the Beat Your Neighbor Fertilizer. That helps this growth, pushing this growth out and pushing out the blooms on the wax begonias. If you're liking our videos, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have hundreds of helpful how-to videos there. And then you can hop on over to our beatyourneighbor.com website. We have our tips and our tricks, our blog articles, and of course our Beat Your Neighbor Fertilizer. That's all at beatyourneighbor.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.